care what anyone says, you wear that smile. And don't you care what anyone says, you keep that style. With that smile you're taught, with that style you must win. Where everyone stops, honey, that's where you begin. Oh, now I don't care what anyone says, you're heavenly. And I don't care what anyone says, it's you for me. Folks may try to tell you I don't suit you to a T. Oh, but don't you care what anyone says, you fall in love with me. Girls I've known, and I've known some. Until I first met you, I was lonesome. And when you came in sight, dear, my heart grew light, and this whole world seemed new to me. You're really swell, I have to admit. You deserve expressions that really fit you. And so I've racked my brain, hoping to explain all the things that you do to me. By mere bis du chien, please let me explain. By mere bis du chien means that you're grand. By mere bis du chien, again I'll explain. It means you're the fairest in the land. I could say Bella, Bella, even say wunderbar. Each language only helps me tell you how grand you are. I've tried to explain by mere bis du chien. So kiss me and say you understand.
charm, the lady likes love, the gentleman like the lady with the red hair. The lady has poise, the lady has grace, she's worldly and wise, tells little white lies, beware. The lady goes here, the lady goes there, the lady has wit, the gal has savoir-faire. She's ever so willing, she has a thrilling way. Why shouldn't they care for the lady with red hair? The lady has charm, the lady likes love, the gentleman like the lady with the red hair. The lady has poise, the lady has grace, she's worldly and wise, tells little white lies, beware. The lady goes here, the lady goes there, the lady has wit, the gal has savoir-faire. She's ever so willing, she has a thrilling way. Why shouldn't they care for the lady with red hair?
I don't want to set the world on fire. I just want to start a flame in your heart.